Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Today I am going to show you how to change the default font in Excel. So say goodbye to plain old Calibri font and let's get started. Click on the File tab. Then from the menu on the left, scroll all the way down and select Options. In the Excel Options window, choose General from the list on the left. In the General section, look for the When Creating New Workbooks category. Here, just select the default font and font size you prefer from the drop-down menus. Let's say you want to switch to something like Arial and maybe bump up the font size to 12 for better readability. Now just click OK at the bottom. And here's an important tip. Excel needs a little reward for these changes to take effect. Now any new workbook you create will use the new default font and size. Just it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.